Hey guys, in this video I am reviewing Wish Upon a Star Slime Shop. She is also known as Animated Dreambox on YouTube. We agreed to send a box of slimes to each other. This is a collab video we're doing, so make sure after you watch this video you check my description and head on over to her channel and you can see her reviewing the slimes that I sent her. When you head on over there, make sure you leave her a comment with a rainbow so that she knows that I sent you. Starting off, she sent me this lovely handwritten note with everything that she sent me, and this little extra is so cute. Oh, just look at all of these extras. Just keep in mind that when sending me a review package, extras are always a great addition, and my family does enjoy eating them and using them, but they're definitely not necessary. If you just want to send me the slimes, that is perfectly fine. All right, so let's jump into the slimes. The first one that I'm opening is Hawaiian Princess, and it's an unscented slime. This is one of her best sellers, and it's based off of Moana. Right away, I noticed that I'm in love with this color. This is one of my favorite colors, and it has little iridescent glitters mixed in, and the consistency was perfect, no need for activation. Keep in mind that when I do a review and I say that it's not activated, it isn't. I know with my last review, a lot of people left comments saying, oh, they saw water or liquid on my counter when I was filming. You guys, I keep a bucket of water so I can dip my hands in it and rinse off in between slimes because I don't have a sink near me where I film. So just keep that in mind. I don't know what videos you guys are watching that lie to you, but I don't lie in my reviews. These are my 100% honest opinions of these slimes. So do keep that in mind. Are you guys looking at these charms? The turtle, the Moana shell, oh, everything is just so, oh, I just love it. I love it. The consistency is so nice. It's a thick, holdable slime, and I think this is like the perfect Moana slime. So pretty. Highly recommend this one if you like clear base slimes. This next slime is called Summer Sunset, and it is a butter slime, and as you can see, it's a tricolor butter slime. It's mango raspberry sorbet scented, and it just smells delicious. I love this color combo. I feel like it's a good representation of a Southwest sunset in the United States, definitely with the pink colors, the orange, super pretty. And the consistency is very spreadable, super soft, and just a lovely, lovely butter slime. This slime came with a pretty palm tree and hammock beachy charm. That is a great addition. So pretty! Mice Crispy Treat is up next. And this is really, really cute. And it's a thick and glossy with marshmallow beads, Mickey glitters, and rainbow beads. It's vanilla birthday cake scented, so it is delish. And again, no activator needed for any of these slimes. Crunch, crunch, crunch. This is definitely one of those slimes that you need to put a sticker on the outside of that says do not eat, because it smells so good like you want to eat it. But please, everyone, do not eat your slimes. They're not edible, even though they smell delicious. Next we have Coral Cake Blast, and this is one of her best-selling cloud slimes. I have to tell you, one thing that I love about cloud slimes is that you can never find two that are exactly the same from different slime shops. They're all cloud slimes, but they're all 100% different. And this one is very velvety and super creamy. So it's not a cloud cream, it is definitely a cloud slime, but it has this creamy nature to it that I've never felt in a cloud slime before. So I don't feel any residue, it doesn't feel wet to me, but the only way I could describe it is just kind of creamy and smooth and velvety. This slime is Mango Birthday Cake scented, and it's a lovely scent. So far, all the scents that I've smelled for Wish Upon a Star Slime Shop are right on. Not too heavy, not too little, just the perfect amount of scent. Now this next one is called Wish Upon a Star, and I believe it's her signature new cloud slime to represent her shop. This one is berry bubblegum scented, and I am just loving these little stars, the little gold and the white iridescent ones, so pretty. And again, this is creamy like the last cloud slime, and just such an amazing texture. You could see it didn't stick to the container at all as I pulled it out. The scent for this one is super sweet and also delicious. I have to tell you, after I was done filming all of these slimes, the room where I film, where I have my studio set up, it smelled amazing. If I could bottle it up and make an air freshener out of all of these slimes, I would. They were just that amazing, you guys. This slime has a really nice drizzle. You don't have to fluff a lot, which is good for someone like me who is a horrible fluffer, a horrible try to drizzle cloud slime person. You can just grab this, pull it up, and it has a nice sweet drizzle. So because of that, I was just playing with it like this for a little bit. It's just so relaxing and so soothing. And the color, I'm in love with this color. Just a pale blue, and I love the star charm. I think it's a perfect representation of the Wish Upon a Star Slime Shop. So pretty, so nice. I'm in love. And of course, I thought I'd do a mini cloud brick for you guys. And this is the perfect slime to do a cloud brick with. As you can see, you don't need to fluff, and it has that sweet little drizzle. So cute. So in love with this slime. Thank you so much, Wish Upon a Star Slime Shop, for sending me this amazing package. You definitely went above and beyond what I even expected. Your slimes are amazing. I give you 100 million% rating. And if you haven't purchased from her before, I would run and grab any slimes that she has left in stock, and make sure you turn on notifications for her shop. Go check out her YouTube channel, hit that like button, subscribe, notifications, so you know next time she does stock her shop and you can snatch some of her amazing slimes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye!